Sunlight dapples the forest floor as Minu, a small rabbit with wide eyes, emerges, his nose twitching with curiosity. He pauses by vibrant wildflowers, a splash of color against the earthy backdrop, then chases a butterfly through the trees. The forest awakens with birdsong and rustling leaves, a symphony of nature accompanying Minu's woodland journey. Sunlight dapples the forest floor, revealing a fallen bird nest, its contents scattered among the leaves. Minu spots a trembling bird perched on a branch, its sorrowful chirps echoing through the woods. "Why are you sad?" The bird's plaintive reply hangs in the air. "My nest fell, nowhere to lay my eggs." Minu vows, "I promise to help." Sunlight streams into the forest as Minu, the turtle, balances strong sticks on its back, moving with steady purpose. The squirrel darts back and forth, its paws overflowing with soft leaves, contributing to their shared task. "Friendship and teamwork make every problem easy," chirps the bird, watching as the clearing transforms.